Guys, for today's video guys, magmumukbang tayo guys ng papaya at saka pipino guys. At saka pinya guys. Ito ang mukbang natin guys. No? Papaya, pinya. Ito yung ano guys, juice. Okay guys, umpisa na natin guys. Pinya to guys. Ito, papaya guys, papaya.